This verse reminds us that a wise teacher should bestow their knowledge on a disciple who has approached them with respect and humility. The teacher should use the technique of refuting erroneous or false attributions to teach the student the knowledge of Brahman, which is the true and unchanging reality beyond the material world. Grace and understanding are essential for the student to attain this knowledge. Refutation, or Apavada, is the process of disproving the false attributions of one thing to another, such as considering Brahman, which is not the material world, to be the material world. And this way, no, it doesn't, the student can learn the truth and gain insight into the true nature of Brahman. This Sanskrit verse discusses the concept of Adhyaropa, which is the false perception of one thing and another. This is a type of superimposition where an unreal thing is seen in something that is real. An example of this is seeing a snake in a rope, when in reality, the rope is not a snake. This verse emphasizes the idea that what we perceive in the world is not always real, and that we must be aware of our perceptions and distinguish between what is real and what is not. The verse describes the nature of reality and unreality. It states that reality is Brahman, which is without a second and is characterized by existence, consciousness, and bliss. And unreality, on the other hand, is nescience and all other material objects that exist in the universe. And the material objects of the universe are considered unreal because they are illusory. Objects of perception undergo modifications and depend on something else for their existence. Therefore, Brahman is the ultimate reality and all other material objects are unreal. In this discussion, we've delved into profound concepts of refuting false attributions and understanding superimpositions, which guide us towards the eternal truth of Brahman. The techniques of Apavada and Adhyaropa remind us that our perceptions can often be misleading, presenting illusions as reality. Recognizing this helps us perceive the true, unchanging essence of the universe. Brahman, characterized by existence, consciousness, and bliss, while everything transient and dependent is considered unreal. As you reflect on these principles, let them illuminate your path towards spiritual enlightenment. If you found value in this discussion, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions in our upcoming videos. Thank you.